Good morning from American Arborists, your professional tree service specialist. Got a little demo tape for you this morning on a coastal pine removal. We've already got two on the ground, but figured we'd catch this last one. Just wanted to talk to any potential tree service customers out there about some initial qualifications for letting a contractor come onto your property. It's always important that you check general liability as well as workman's compensation of any contractor to mitigate your risk of a contractor doing a tree removal or tree pruning on your property. It always helps if they've got some pretty good equipment, prevent any hydraulic leaks or oil spills on your property, keep it nice and clean. Also, personal protective equipment. Make sure everybody's wearing hard hats, safety glasses, work boots, things like that, so that there's no unnecessary risks like what Jeff's wearing here, that forestry helmet and chaps. I don't even know if he's touched a chainsaw yet today, but he's ready. So I'm gonna set this demo tape up here and you're gonna watch me take this coastal pine down here, and we'll give you a nice shot of the cleanup when we're done. And if you have any questions, go to americanarborists.net and we'll help you out. Thank you. Well, we got the most important footage right here, and that is our finished product. In this case, the customer wants to keep the wood, like 2.5 quarts worth of cords to burn. And here's our 3 coastal pine stumps here. 3 removals today. And a very happy customer. A little bit of sawdust left to clean out. Most of the debris is already out of here, the back of the truck. Thanks for watching the video.